Welcome. If you're a Discord user who prefers a clean, distraction-free experience while chatting with friends on mobile, you might have noticed the mobile voice overlay feature. While it's designed to help you stay connected by showing call controls over other apps, not everyone finds it useful. Today, I'll show you exactly how to disable the mobile voice overlay in Discord's voice settings, with the latest steps for 2025. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all of your settings. Once you're on the main screen, look at the bottom right corner for your profile icon. Go ahead and tap on your profile picture. This will take you straight to your user settings, where you can customize everything about your Discord experience. From here, scroll down until you see the section labeled App Settings. Under this section, tap on Voice. This is where you'll find all the options related to voice chat, including input and output devices, volume controls, and more. Now, scroll down within the voice settings until you see the option labeled Enable Mobile Voice Overlay. This setting is usually toggled on by default, which means Discord will display a floating overlay on your screen whenever you're in a voice chat. To disable the overlay, simply tap the toggle switch next to Enable Mobile Voice Overlay. The switch should turn gray, indicating that the feature is now off. That's it. You've successfully disabled the mobile voice overlay, so you won't see those floating controls popping up while you're using other apps during a Discord call. Disabling this feature can help keep your screen clutter-free and make multitasking on your phone much smoother. If you ever want to turn the overlay back on, just follow these same steps and toggle the switch back to the on position. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more up-to-date Discord tips and tricks. See you in the next video.